Welcome, I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm utilising Settlers Shiraz gin to make a lazy man's New York sour. Traditionally, a New York sour is made utilising a whiskey base with a red wine float, but Settlers has done the hard work for me and combined the base spirit being gin with Shiraz. So start by measuring 60ml, 2 ounces of your Shiraz gin. Add that straight into your cocktail shaker and then follow that with some fresh lemon juice. 30ml, a single ounce, and follow that with simple syrup. So there's a 1:1 simple syrup, equal parts by weight of sugar and water. 22.5ml, 3/4 ounce. And then I've got a whole egg white that I'm adding in, and I'll dry shake that to emulsify the egg white. Next, I'll add ice to the shaker and give it a shake for about 12 to 15 seconds. Fill your double old-fashioned glass with ice and strain over the top. I recommend garnishing with a piece of dehydrated lemon. There you have the Lazy Man's New York Sour or a Shiraz Gin Sour utilising Settlers Shiraz Gin.